I'll take that as a yes. Do you want to go to the... Dude, he's like Teen Wolf. Teen Pug. Wolf.
This is probably the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. At least the Bobby pillow, too. Look at you guys. So cute. Oh, pigs. You love him. You love your little brother.
Push, push, push. Come on, baby, push. Push, push. Yeah.
Did you do this? Lilu?
I knew you did something. You gave it away. I didn't even see it till you gave me that face.
Did you chew up that?
Pogo, what's this? Come here, Pogo.
I really think that might have been us. Who did this? Did you do this, Chaka?
What'd you do? Come here. Come here, Sadie. What's this? What's this, Sadie? What is this? Come here. What did you do? What'd you do, Sadie? Were you a bad girl?
Lady Jane. She did something. What lady? Lady, look at me.
Hi, Laurel. Hi. Laurel, what did you do this afternoon? Did you do that? Did you maybe eat that bag of treats, Laurel?
Bailey, sit. Did you do this? Is this paper yours? Bailey.
Mishka, did you eat my eggs? I mean, no. You're licking your chops. Did you eat my eggs? Did you? Did you do that? You look very guilty.
Buffy, Buffy. Did you? Buffy, sit down. Sit down, Buffy. Sit down. I want to talk to you. Look at me. Look at the garbage. There's a pizza box over there.